How to do gallery sections in Squarespace. In order to do that, first, head over right here to your Squarespace editor, and then from in there, just hover wherein you want to add your gallery. I have in here this blank part, so let's head over and click onto this Add Block option. From in there, search in here for gallery. So you can also find some blocks option if you would want. On some cases, it's not available right here. We only have these options such as summaries and also markdowns and likes. If you want, you can head over and just add in here code. And then let's use Common Ninja in order to add a gallery. To do that, head over to a new tab, search in here for Common Ninja, and then from in there, head over to the actual widget option. Click onto this Start Creating. On your dashboard, click on this Create widget. Search in here for gallery. You can choose from image galleries, image stack, PDF viewer, and likes. For example, let's choose in here image wall. Then after that, this should be able to open in here this. So wait for this to successfully load. And from in there, once it's been added, you can actually add some items, add in here some pictures if you would want. And once you're done, click onto this publish and save your widget. Now, select wherein you want to add it and click on Save Changes. Copy the code, head back to your Squarespace, and edit the code that we have added earlier. Input right here the code, and in there, you can actually find in here this embedded script. You can preview it if you would want, and this should be able to be added. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.